ये कलर आएगा क्या? दिस इज माई न्यू हेयर स्टाइल, लाइक इट। इतना कलर बच गया। मैं अब ये लगाऊंगी उदय के बालों पे, बिकॉज पैसे वेस्ट नहीं करते। Why am I coloring my hair, by the way? Please remind me. I get lost. So we are going to start with the first step. I'm going to mix these two colors, that is purple topaz, soft red, so that I get somewhat this color that I'm looking for. This is my inspiration towards this hair color. I think I'm bored of it and it's time I change my hair color and do something great about it. So yeah, before we do mix it, we have to make sure we are wearing an old t-shirt like I am. I'm wearing my boyfriend's old t-shirt which we are about to discard. I'm going to section my hair first. I'll detangle it pretty well so that there are absolutely no tangles, and because we are going to bleach our hair and hair is anyways going to be very dry. Make sure you detangle your hair very nicely. Now that we're done with that, I'm going to section my hair and clip it up. So I have so I have parted my hair and I'm going to mix the colors. I've taken a plastic bowl. So let's see what the contents are inside the box. I'm actually very nervous because I've never colored my hair at home. So if it's gonna be a disaster, I'm gonna cut my hair. Actually, I was supposed to do a video where I was supposed to cut my hair first, but then I thought, what if this hair color is a disaster and I've already cut my hair and I don't want it anymore? I won't be able to cut it anymore if I've already done it. So let's color it. Let's see how it turns out. If it's good, then that's great. If it's not, then I can go ahead and cut it. So the contents of the box. This is step 2. So it's very nicely labeled. The steps are nicely labeled and bundled in, together. This is step 2, which we don't need right now. This is step 1, which we are going to do. So since I have dark hair, I'm a shade 4, actually 3, somewhere between 3 and 4. So we have to pre-lighten our hair, as most of you must be knowing. So I have to do that. And this is the instructions leaflet. Conditioner, 2 pouches. This is gloves which I need to wear, and this has kind of brush kind of thingy, and yeah, blonder and developer. So I am actually going to mix both of this. Let's start. God be with us. And also I'm really very courageous. I'm doing this right before I'm going for a trip. So this completely depends how I'm going to look throughout my trip. And this is the developer sachet. I don't like the smell. बहुत ही अजीब सा स्मेल है. ब्लीच का वैसे भी पता नहीं. Of course it's chemically smelled, but I'll quickly wear my gloves. I forgot to mention, I've already cut a few foil papers like so, which I'm going to need when I bleach my hair so that it develops well. I'm nervous, really, I'm really nervous. I don't know how it's going to turn out. Bhagwan, bacha lena. So I'm going to try and do a little balayage effect. I think I'm doing something wrong. 1:2 ratio. I need to mix another developer sachet. Oh god. Not an issue, not an issue. Chill, chill, chill. Also, this thingy is no use, yeah. I swear. If you're wondering where I'm keeping my stuff, I've actually laid down a newspaper on the floor so that I don't stain it. Yeah, no, it's fine. Now this is fine. Thank God I bought 4 boxes, because if I had just one box, how was I supposed to put 1:2 ratio developer? Crazy, yeah? Okay, never mind. So I'm going to leave the roots because I don't want to blonde my roots. I'm not able to see. I'm seriously bad at this. I can understand. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. एक तो ये ग्लव्स पता नहीं बहुत मुश्किल है इसमें करना. मैं हाथ से लगा लूँ क्या? नहीं, I want to look professional. Let's try and look professional. I wonder if Brad Mondo ever saw my video, how he's going to react to it. He's gonna go crazy. I swear. He's gonna be like, girl, this is all wrong. Why are you even doing it? Oops, oops, oops. I'm wearing a new trouser. I think I shouldn't have done that. What if I bleach the trouser? I'm clearly failing at this. It's a maha fail. I'm not good at this. Please watch it for fun and don't follow my steps. Watch it only for entertainment purpose. Because see, I can't handle it. Good that I'm trying this though. I at least came to know that I'm bad at this. Also, I'm doing this because currently I'm at home. I've not been to work for like I don't know how many days, and if you want to know why, then comment down below. I'll make a complete video why I've not been to work for the past 4 months. This is seriously not working, guys. ये क्या हो रहा है यार? I think I'm just gonna squeeze it like that. इतना time नहीं है अभी. It looks so funny. This looks nice and look at this. मैं अब तो हाथ ही से लगाने वाली हूँ. This is better. Oh, I'll be back. उदय, कहाँ हो?
क्या हुआ? इससे गिर गया?
नहीं.
You're bleaching it right now.
Yeah. I can't bleach wrong places.
तो क्या होगा?
पूछ दे ये. मैं रो दूंगी. छोड़ इसको, हटा. ये टॉवल दे दे. कबर्ड में होगा यार. Yes, now it's better.
Dia, it's gonna be fun.
It's gonna be disaster. Talking about fun, yeah. Oh my god. At this point, I'm just really nervous, guys. Please don't mind if I'm not talking too much, because I really don't know how this is gonna turn out. जैसे भी हो, आपको वैसे ही देखना पड़ेगा अगले वीडियोस में. आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है? Not to worry. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या हो जाएगा? गंदा हो जाएगा. मैं फिर से ब्लैक कर लूँगी. I have plain black hair. कोई नहीं. Now I'll open the other part. I don't know why I feel that the blonder is come in quantity. कोई नहीं, हम एक और खोल लेंगे. I have another. I have 4 packs for this reason. मैं हाथों से लगाऊंगी अब. बहुत हो गया. I swear बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. गाइस आपको क्या लगता है डिजास्टर होने वाला है या नहीं? बताइए मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में. एंड आई वाज राइट, वी नीड मोर ब्लॉन्डर. मुझे लगते थे मेरे बाल बहुत कम है एज कम्पेयर टू अदर्स, बट टुडे फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम आई फील दैट मेरे बहुत सारे बाल. I don't get rid of this stupid. This is going to go away. I wish I could add water to this. इतना easy होता. So guys, I've mixed another sachet of bleach because it was not enough for my hair. I really don't know if I'm doing this wrong, so please bear with me because I'm also doing this for the first time. I've never done this, and I really hope that I'm doing the right thing. At first I was excited, now I'm nervous. I'm more of nervous. I was nervous before also, but now I'm even more nervous. I don't even have a mirror. I'm like literally looking at the phone. Like I do have a mirror block because of my tripod. Oh my god, tiring task. Alright guys, so I'm done bleaching my hair and I've kept on the bleach for 45 minutes, and this is the result. I know it's not that great, but please don't judge me because I'm doing it for the first time. Now the main part. I've cleansed the same ball and I'm going to mix both the colors. That is, I'm going to mix soft red and purple topaz. So I'm going to mix it in 1:1 ratio. That is, for one packet of colorant of the soft red, I'm going to mix one developer, and likewise for purple topaz. Now since I've already shown you that I'm following this as an inspiration, so I'll try to get into that color, and I hope I do get it because otherwise all of this is complete failure. Finish mixing all of this and I'll come back and I'll show you how it's turned out. Guys, this is how the color has turned out. It looks grayish right now, but when I was mixing it, it was somewhat greenish, and I'm not really sure. I've seen a lot of videos, I've done a lot of research, and I'm really scared to try this out on my entire hair. So I'm just going to do a small patch right now. I should have done this before actually. Before bleaching my entire hair, I should have done a patch test. But anyway, I'm going to do this and see how it turns out. What if it turns it back to brown? What about all my YouTube research? And I'm going for a trip in 2 days with this hair. Okay, let's see. I'll keep it for 30 minutes and I'll come back and I'll update what's going on, whether I'm going to color this thing on my entire hair or I'm going to do something else with it tomorrow. We'll see. Bye. I'm feeling really very impulsive right now. At one point I'm thinking I should color my entire hair with this, and then we'll see what happens. But then I'm like, what if I can't rectify it? I'm confused what I should do. Have purple hair. I'll look like a unicorn. It's cute, but it's not cute on me. And this is completely purple. This is not what I thought it will be. I want it to be reddish. It's a very beautiful color. I don't know. I want to open it right now. I've had many hair disasters. There was a time in school. At that time, there was a movie that came out of Priyanka Chopra, Dostana, and she had this lovely haircut. Okay, and my mom wouldn't allow me to cut my hair all the time. So I decided I'll cut my own hair. तो मैंने at that time तो उतना YouTube था नहीं, and I didn't have a phone. So I just saw the picture and I cut my hair. And you won't believe, it was blunt cut and a small strand like this on the back. Because if you see that picture of Priyanka Chopra, I'll try to put it in this clip. It's like this and then it's straight. Okay, I had absolutely no idea, and I was in class 7 or 8 at that time, and I did that. So that was my first hair disaster. After that, I wanted fringes, and I wanted it like straight, the straight ones which you have. Okay, so what I did is, instead I wet my hair, took my scissors and cut it right from here. So when your hair dries, it goes half an inch up. So I had my fringes up till here, and for like 3 months I had to go to school like that and embarrass myself in front of the whole school. And that was the second time, and I promised myself I'll never do this again. This is the last time. Okay, but me being me, I did it again. I again went to college, and I wanted fringes again. And again, I was in college. You never have money, you're broke. I would get 30 rupees per day from my dad for conveyance. So 30 रुपए में क्या ही हो जाएगा? So I had to cut my hair again. I did the same fringes disaster again. So मैंने इस बार ऐसे काटा था, and वो यहाँ से शुरू होके नीचे तक आ गया. Then when I was working in Indigo, I went to a parlor beside my house in Gurgaon, sector 23, and I told her that we in Indigo, you are not allowed to have fringes below your eyebrow line. Like agar fringes hoga, so it should touch right above here. So I told her the same thing, and I told her, don't make sure you don't touch your scissors here, नीचे से करना, because I had this experience and I have done it. I know how it turns out. But she did the exact same thing which I did, and she put her scissors here, and before I even would tell her, she run her scissors. So again I had the same fringes disaster. I had to go for training the next day. When I went back to PG, I cried the entire night. So to avoid all the humiliation and embarrassment, I sprayed my hair and did twisties until it grew back, and that's the reason why I have little less hair on the front part of my head, because I've used a lot of hairspray during that time. And after that, I again went impulsive one day, and I went and cut my hair short till here. The first 2 days I was very happy. Then I realized it's a disaster to have this short hair, because you can't experiment with hairstyles. What can you do with that short hair? So these are the examples of my impulses. That's why I'm not ready to follow my impulse right now and color my entire hair with that dye, because who knows, it's a disaster, and this time I can't do anything about it. अब इसके बाद मुझे किसी professional salon में जाना पड़ेगा, and they will remove the color and then they'll do it again, and I don't have so much money, to be very honest. So that is why I'm going ahead with this. Yes, you can call me a fattu, but I don't know. I may just listen to my impulse after saying this, but right now I'm reminding myself what all happened when I did follow my impulse. I'm going to add another soft red into the mixture. अब क्या ही होगा? खराब हो जाएगा बाल. I'm going to color it black again. Why do I feel this is a disaster already? And I need a developer. Don't tell me I'm out of developer. Oh yes. If you're out of developer, use conditioner. I really hate the smell of this color. I know it's all of the colors are supposed to smell this way, but I hate this one. Guys, I hate the smell. See, this has turned out almost the color I wanted. I think after drying वही color आता. But मैंने इसमें red add किया है, वो ज़्यादा purple हो गया. I don't know why this is purple. I don't want purple. I want to color it. Now let's see. Let's fix it. Okay. Let's get it done, guys. कर हर मैदान फतेह. अब देखते हैं क्या होता है. क्या ही हो जाएगा. मैं हाथों से लगाऊंगी अपना. Oh God. I have my dog's towel on my lap and I've stained it. But it's fine. उसको क्या पता आ रहा है? उसको कुछ नहीं पता आ रहा है. पता हो रहा है. Alright. Done with one strand. Doing the other strand. If I'm not talking too much, please don't mind because right now I am feeling scared. Please understand my emotions, guys. And girls. I'm torturing my hair enough today, you know. Really sorry, hair. Really sorry. Messy AF. I'm again following my impulsive nature. क्या सोचा था मैंने? बैलेज होगा, सुंदर बाल होंगे, पता नहीं क्या ही हो गया मेरे बाल के साथ. पर्पल कलर लगा रही हूँ मैं बैठ के. And I have a training on Friday. My trainer is going to see I have purple hair if this turns purple, and I'm not allowed to do that. No funky colors. I hope none of them see me making this video. If any of you, any of my colleagues, my managers are watching this video, don't worry, before I join duty, I'll turn my hair black. Until then, I'm allowed to do so. Guys, please don't follow my, this is not a tutorial, okay? This is just for your entertainment. And this is just my experience. Please don't follow this tutorial and try to do it how I'm doing. Follow Brad Mondo. He'll give you the right method. And if he sees this video, he's gonna faint for sure. आदमी ने हमें कितना कुछ सिखाया है बालों के बारे में, फिर भी हम कभी नहीं सीखते. Ladies and ladies, do you think this is a disaster? If yes, then please click the like button. If no, still click the like button. बहुत सारा कलर बचा है. मैं अपने बॉयफ्रेंड के बालों में भी लगा सकती हूँ वैसे. He has a little grey hair strand over here. They look nice and purple. We'll be the purple couple. He's right in front of me, listening to me. We're getting ready to kill me. I've applied the color on my hair. I'm going to leave it for 1 hour. Yes, 1 hour. Because I'm on the maximum out of this. So I'll see you after I'm done. Bye. I'm thinking of putting foil on top of this so that the color develops well, and I don't like the wet and sticky feeling that it's giving me right now. So yeah, I'm gonna just put 2 foils. It's a messy process. Messy. Very, very messy. ये कलर आएगा क्या? This is my new hairstyle. Like it? इतना कलर बच गया. मैं अब ये लगाऊंगी उदय के बालों पे, बिकॉज पैसे वेस्ट नहीं करते, ऊपर से पैसे जो कलर पे यूज हुआ है. ओके गाइस, बाय बाय. Hi guys, so this is the final result of coloring my hair. I'm very glad I listened to my impulse this time because it turned out really good. So because I added red again towards the end, if you remember. That's why it is more towards the red, but it also gives a nice tinge of reflect of purple, and I love how it has turned out. Can you see the shine? Amazing. I really like it, and I'm happy that I did this because this change is really good, and it's going to work even better after a few more washes. So I'll see how it turns out with that. A few things that I want you to remember if you are also going to color your hair for the first time is, see how I spoiled a t-shirt. This is completely gone. I can't wear it anymore. This is the stain that it has got. So please wear an old t-shirt. This is an old t-shirt, but yes, remember to wear an old t-shirt. Wear your gloves, because at one point when I was applying the bleach to my hair, I removed the gloves because it was very inconvenient for me to work with it. But then to remove the bleach from my hands was a task. It took me time to remove it, and it was burning because my skin is sensitive. So please make sure you wear gloves. If you do not like the gloves that comes along with the hair color boxes, then buy gloves for yourself, the separate ones, and then wear it, because then it fits right on your hands. So do that. And thirdly, I did not have Vaseline at home. That's why I could not apply it on the outlines of my hair or on the hairline. That's why I had a few dye stains, which I have got ridden off, but it took me time. So also, before you start coloring your hair, please apply Vaseline on the hairline so you don't have that trouble. So the total process took me around 2.5 hours, because it was my first time, and it took me quite a lot of time to figure out how to bleach my hair. So, and also the mixing procedure and all that. So the entire process took me 2.5 hours. And also, since you're watching till the end of the video, let me update you on what's coming next. This is Multani Mitti from Nature's Tattva, and also I have aloe vera gel. So I'm going to stop using face wash and cream for the next 7 days. This is the challenge that I have taken up, because I've read a lot of good stuff, and I've read a lot of benefits that Multani Mitti has on your skin. And recently I've been breaking out a lot, so I'm thinking of skipping any product that has chemical in it and going natural. So I'm going to try this for the next 7 days, and you'll be getting the video after 7 days. But you can see my updates on Instagram if you follow me. Please follow me on Instagram. I'll keep updating how it's going on. And also I'm going to use aloe vera gel as the only moisturizer for the next 7 days. So this is the update for the next upcoming videos. Please do watch it. For today, that's all I have for you. I hope you have a lovely weekend ahead, and please enjoy yourselves. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button, and also please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.